Hi there, I'm Divya from GrammarGuruPeedom.com, and in today's video, we are about to cover compound clauses. Immediately, the question is, what are compound clauses? The simplest possible answer is that compound clauses are the combination of two or more simple clauses. For example, Rina is a teacher and her brother is a pilot. There's a compound clause. Naturally, the next question is, what are simple clauses? The answer is any individual part of a sentence that has a subject and a verb and gives us either a complete sentence or a partial idea is called a simple clause. For example, I drink tea. If you'd like to know more about this, watch the full video on our Grammar Guru Peedom YouTube channel. The link is in the description box. Now, back to our point here. In a compound clause, two or more simple clauses are combined together using conjunctions. For example, I like reading and she likes dancing. Here, the simple clauses I like reading and she likes dancing are combined using the conjunction and. Can we use only and to combine these simple clauses? No. We can also use for, no, but, or, yet, so to combine these simple clauses according to the context. Oh, how will we remember this? Simple. Remember the mnemonic FANBOYS, where each letter stands for one of these conjunctions. Easy, right? Can we use coordinating conjunctions to combine any simple clauses? No. Coordinating conjunctions can only be used to combine clauses of the same status. What does this term equal status mean? It means that coordinating conjunctions can only be used to connect two or more independent clauses. Got confused with the term independent clauses? Don't worry, we'll cover that as a detailed topic in our next video. So make sure you have subscribed to our channel Grammar Guru Peedom and hit the bell icon with the option all to get instant notifications when the video is out. Now let's check this sentence. He's a poet and he's a writer. Here the part he is a poet can stand alone. It has a meaning of its own. Likewise, he is a writer also makes sense independently. Both these parts can be structured perfectly as individual sentences. And we can use coordinating conjunctions only to combine these kinds of clauses. This point will become clearer with another example. She was dancing and her mother arrived. Perfect. Certainly, we can use coordinating conjunctions to combine these capable to stand alone clauses. She was dancing and her mother arrived. But things change in this sentence. She was dancing when her mother arrived. In this context, we have to mention when she was dancing and the part when her mother arrived cannot stand alone. It doesn't have a complete meaning by itself. Hence, we are not combining clauses of equal status and we cannot use coordinating conjunctions to combine them. Hope you got it. The next question, probably in your mind, is why do ESL learners have to learn compound clauses and coordinating conjunctions? My answer is if you just want to use pieces of English like some words or phrases to manage your daily English needs, you can skip this video forever. But if you want to use English like a professional, this grammar video is your third step towards it. The first two steps are phrases and simple clauses. And you can watch those videos on our channel. The links are in the description box. Now let's move on to when and where we can use each of the coordinating conjunctions. For to state a reason. Example, she didn't go to school for she was ill. And just to connect clauses of equal status. Example, she was drinking coffee and her sister was drinking tea. Now, to connect to negative aspects of equal status. Example, I don't like coffee, nor do I like tea. But when the contradiction in two ideas is to be expressed, her father likes her joining adventure camps, but her mother does not like it. Or to connect ideas that offer choices. Example, you can have tea or you can have coffee. To we can use or also to emphasize that an opposite result can happen if something is not done. Example, you have to complete your homework or your teacher will punish you. Yet, to mention something that happens in connection to something else, but in a way that's not normally expected. Example, it was raining, yet we went out for a walk. So, to emphasize that something happened as a result of something else. Example, it was raining, so we stayed indoors. Now, let's quickly look at the common mistakes people make when using compound clauses. Forgetting the comma before the conjunction. I was tired, so I went to bed. Incorrect. I was tired, so I went to bed. Correct. We applied a comma in between two clauses. Using a comma splice, joining two sentences with a comma alone. I was tired, comma, I went to bed. Incorrect. We didn't use a conjunction there. I was tired, comma, so I went to bed. Correct. We used comma and the conjunction in this sentence. Dear friends, that's all for today. Don't forget to hit the like button and share the video, please. Subscribe to Grammar Guru Peedom for beginner to advanced level grammar tutorials. Subscribe to our sister channel Grammar Guru Peedom Plus for beginner to advanced English language teaching tutorials. Follow us on Facebook for simple language learning through interesting stories. Our WhatsApp channel welcomes you to get daily English vocabulary tips, and our Telegram channel invites you to get spoken English tips. All the links are in the description box. And please download the full tutorial of this video as a PDF. You can practice compound clauses with the help of that. The link is in the description box. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.